Today I will show you how to set up and use a loop pedal for your guitar. You should check to see if the battery is already provided. To do that, you'll unscrew this black screw here while pushing down on the pedal. Now you're ready to set up your pedal. First, you'll plug in your cable to your amp, and then into this port here. Then you'll take the cable and plug it into this port, and then into your guitar. Now that you've done that, the light on your pedal should be on. If it is not, the battery may be dead or installed wrong. This dial here will allow you to adjust the volume and sound of your guitar. This light circle will show you the speed and time of your looped riff. To record a riff, you will click the pedal once and it'll start recording immediately. To end your recording, you'll click it twice. To erase your recording, you'll hold down on the pedal until a light circle flashes red. That is how you use and set up a loop pedal. Thank you for watching.